The match is about to start. The weather and field are perfect. Everything is good to go. With the kickoff, the match has begun. The first goal has arrived very quick. He's trying to surprise his opponent by bagging. He scores with an amazing header. The ball glazed over the bar. That's a fine header. She tried her luck with a header. He's taking risks to be able. Not good. He shoved the ball into his own net. The score is 2-2. Nice shot. That goal was one of a kind. This definitely looks like a basketball game. It is 3-3. She slightly curves the ball. Goal! What a strike! Denied by the post again. She's sending high balls to her. She drilled the ball into the net. Fantastic strike. He keeps hitting the crossbar. A shot blasted towards the right corner. With an amazing header. Let's see if we can see an astonishing comeback now. She saved that one too. It seems he took to the pitch to defend the whole game. She buried the ball in the back of the net. Unlucky, the post blocked the goal. He headed the ball onwards. We're slowly getting to the end of the match. Bounced off the goalpost. Unfortunately, she scored an own goal. The goalpost saved the goal. What a mind-blowing goal. Perfect header. The fans are definitely not happy with this own goal. Incredible goal. Brilliant. A low shot. Final 10 seconds of the game. Large goal is used. Great header to deflect the ball. It was almost, and with the final whistle, the match has come to an end. Time is up. It was an easy match, and we witnessed so many terrific goals. I'm your commentator, John Motson. Both players are ready and the match is about to get underway. An exciting game has begun in headball 2. So I guess she's confused. She needs to score in the opposite goal. Amazing goal. A nice header. Unfortunately, he scored. It's giant player time. He headed the ball towards the goal. He cleared the ball with his head. And it's a goal! Nice shot. Incredible goal. Brilliant. What spectacular goals we are witnessing in this match. She's trying to score over the... Now that's what I call a goal. The player is knocked out. That's a fine header. Goal, goal, goal! A goal is on the way. The goal post is enlarged. A shot from the air. How many more shots will hit the bar? The match is halfway through. The gap is quite small and it can still... She buried the ball in the back of the net. A powerful kick. The gap keeps increasing. Victory is very close. She lit up the goal with that kick. He's after a goal in the low corner. The last 30 seconds of the game. She scored incredible goal. That's a legendary goal. She's aiming for where the goalposts meet, and she scores. She said no to that shot. She's constantly going for kicks over the other player. She headed the ball onwards. The final whistle is approaching. She shot the ball. She buried the ball in the back of the net. Great reflexes by the player. We are in the final 5 seconds. The 90 seconds are over. So many goals. It was an entertaining match to watch. The match is about to get underway. Good luck to both players. The match has now begun. His first choice is a superpower. Unlucky, the post blocked. The first goal is here. Is it a goal? No, off the crossbar. He's set the trap and is waiting for his opponent to make a mistake. She slightly curves the ball with the inside of her foot. Goal! 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 He keeps hitting the crossbar. She shot the ball from the ground. The ball hit the post and bounced back. She tried her luck with a header. A nice header. The goal came with a brilliant header. She's constantly going for kicks out. What an amazing goal. Right into the back of the net. The ball hit the goal post. A good shot will bring a goal. And she scores. The ball is really huge right now. 45 seconds have passed in the match. An amazing header. Let's see if we can... Large goal active. Goal! Great header to deflect. The fans are going wild. Perfect strike. A powerful kick. The last 30 seconds of the game. Goal! 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 She blocked a possible goal. He keeps hitting the crossbar. Into the penalty area. She buried the ball in the back of the net. A shot towards the penalty area. Now that's what I call a goal. And it's a goal! She shot the ball towards the upper cross. She lit up the goal with that kick. The referee is getting ready to blow the final whistle. Was that a shot or a cross? The match is almost over. Goal! Off the post and into the net. Here comes the final whistle. A match with lots of goals, just the way we wanted it.